we get to come out of the house and come shopping with me. We got daddy to come out with us. See him lingering somewhere. Oh yeah, see him there around this one. Him no usually come shopping, you know, because him no like shopping with us. But Jerome, you like come shopping now? Him like come shopping because him like pick out things and say more and this and more and that. Him father not even want to carry him from a Costco. You find Jerome and daddy look like them in my room. Oh no, I see them. I don't even know what they're looking at. Oh, he's sitting down learning to tie his shoes one of these Costco benches. How you doing? Say hi. I'm looking. What you say when you carry the little girl come freeze in here for Jerome? Woo! While these houses look cute and stuff on the bayou right here, as I was saying, people always kayak in the bayou, but I'm always scared. I always think that alligator can dry you out of the kayak or push it over. But anyways, we got home and we just started taking pictures. I had my glass of wine and then boop! Guys, I live with a professional photo bomber. Jerome spilled my wine. Watch him. Anyways, back to being cute. This year, we're most thankful for a beautiful family. We're thankful for Joelle. We're thankful for all the progress she's made. We're thankful that Jerome is still a dreamer. We're thankful for you guys. We're thankful for everything and everyone. Happy New Year 2023. You guys have an awesome year. Yay!